Right, well, my E34 is playing games again. It's not so quick off the mark and has this kind of stuttering and hesitation when you leave at the traffic light, which is highly frustrating. You know how these engines deliver when they're in good health, so it's kind of coughing, which is not cool at all. So I thought I'd pull the plugs out and see what they have to say. Spark plugs are a very good indicator of the quality of the combustion, so it tells a lot about the general state of your engine. When you look at the spark plug, what you're looking for is to have this uniform grayish brown color, which indicates that the combustion is just about right. If your plugs are black, full of soot, then it means that you're running too rich and you're burning too much fuel uselessly. On the other hand, if your spark plugs are white, that indicates that you're running too lean, so they're heating up too much, and something is wrong on that side of the scale as well. Now, if your plugs are fouled with oil, that would generally mean that your engine needs a rebuild, because oil is coming through the piston rings. So yeah, pull the plugs out, and here is what I found. As you can see, on cylinders 2 and 3, these two spark plugs here are white, as opposed to the brownish grey that we have on all other cylinders. So these two plugs are telling me that cylinders 2 and 3 are running too lean, which is not a good thing. I have to figure out why. It could be many different things. Could be the intake manifold, who might have a crack. It might be the manifold gasket, who need replacing as well, where the engine would be sucking in some unmetered air, rendering the mixture too lean. It could be something that has to do with the fuel delivery, so I might want to check the injectors, see if they're operating properly electrically first, and obviously check the spray pattern, see if they deliver a sufficient quantity of fuel. I think I might check the compressions as well, although I did take them not so long ago and the results were satisfactory. So yeah, I guess I'll still have to be looking around and trying to figure this out, because it is very annoying. You know how these engines are full of torque and very willing, but yeah, here obviously I'm not running at the correct mixture strength, so something needs to be done. So as you can see, it's a fairly easy procedure that you can do yourself with a basic toolkit, so I suggest you do so if you run into some running problems. I know that these spark plugs have a service lifetime of roughly 30,000 kilometers, so that's as an indication. Since I was under the bonnet, I thought I might pull the dipstick out and see if the amount of oil is correct. I did the oil service on my car a couple of days ago, so thought I might check, and the level is satisfactory. So there you go. Keep caring for your Beamers, love them and drive them, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.